The universe is a quiet place, a vast, near-perfect vacuum stretching for light years in every direction. For most of human history, we've stared into that darkness and wondered, are we really alone? Then, in 2017, something broke the silence. An object from another star system, Oumuamua, tumbled through our solar system, leaving scientists scratching their heads with its weird, cigar-like shape and unnatural movement. 2 years later, a second visitor, 2I Borisov, gave us a more familiar, comet-like peek at an interstellar traveler. And now, a third visitor is here. Discovered on July 1, 2025, it's called 3I ATLS. At first, it seemed like another piece of the cosmic puzzle, but the latest data is revealing something unsettling. This visitor is behaving in ways we haven't seen before, showing off characteristics that defy simple explanations. Its strange behavior is forcing some of the world's most brilliant minds to confront a disturbing possibility. What if this visitor isn't a comet at all?
In a paper published as a preprint, Loeb's team explores the question directly. Could 3I ATLS be an artifact of intelligent design? The theory suggests that the object's strange characteristics might not be natural paradoxes, but signatures of a purpose. Could its incredible speed be a sign that it wasn't just drifting, but was on a deliberate course? Loeb's team noted its path takes it unusually close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, almost like a planned planetary flyby. And what about the early activity without a clear gas signature? If it's not a comet, but a manufactured probe, its surface wouldn't necessarily be made of ice and rock, which could explain the initial spectral silence. Loeb argues that we have to consider all possibilities, even the ones that seem like science fiction. While he isn't saying 3I ATLS is definitively an alien spacecraft, he argues its behavior is so anomalous that the possibility shouldn't be dismissed. The idea has even been floated to try and redirect NASA's Juno spacecraft, currently orbiting Jupiter, for a closer look when the object passes by in March 2026, though this remains highly speculative and is not an official plan. So we're left with two profoundly different ways of seeing this object. In one, 3I ATLS is a probe from an advanced civilization. In the other, it's a natural wonder that's stretching our understanding of the universe. The case for a technological origin rests on just how many things about it are odd. Any single anomaly, the speed, the early activity, the spectral weirdness, could be explained away as a cosmic quirk. But for one single object to have all of these traits at once, proponents argue, suggests we should at least consider a fundamentally different explanation. However, the scientific consensus remains firmly on the side of a natural origin. Astronomers point out that while it's unusual, it's not impossible. The later detection of water vapor and hydroxide ions firmly places it in the comet category, even if it's a very strange one. The early activity might be driven by ices that are simply uncommon in our own solar system. And its origin could be the very reason for its weirdness. This object was born in a completely different star system, with a different chemical cocktail and a different history. It's a piece of a distant world, so of course it carries the clues of its alien birthplace. It's not supposed to look exactly like one of our comets. The mainstream view is that 3I ATLS isn't a sign of alien engineers, but a profound lesson in cosmic diversity. It's teaching us that the universe is more varied and surprising than we ever imagined. As 3I ATLS continues its journey, it will pass its closest point to the Sun in October 2025 before it heads back out into the interstellar darkness, likely never to be seen again. The James Webb Space Telescope and other powerful observatories will be watching, hoping to finally solve the puzzle of what it truly is. The data they collect might confirm that it's simply a bizarre but entirely natural interstellar comet, a messenger from another star system carrying secrets about how planets form in other corners of the galaxy. But the questions will linger. The object's extreme speed, its unusual activity, and its strange composition have pushed the boundaries of what we know. It forces us to confront our own assumptions. Is 3I ATLS just a rare natural wonder? A one-in-a-billion cosmic coincidence? Or is it something more? A silent messenger from the stars? A piece of ancient technology? We may never know for sure. All we can do is watch and wonder. The universe is full of mysteries just like this one. If you want to keep exploring the biggest questions about our cosmos, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next investigation. And let us know in the comments, what do you think 3I ATLS is? A rock? Or something more? Thanks for watching.